Hi everyone, want to remove the background from your image in just a few seconds? It's for free. In this video, I will show you how to do it with the Remove.bg, a free online tool that works like magic. Let's get started together. First, open your web browsers and go to www.remove.bg. And let's click the uploads image buttons and choose the picture you want to edit. You can also drag and drop your image directly onto the page. As soon as you upload your image, Remove automatically removes the background within seconds. No Photoshop, no manual work. It's 100% AI power. Once your background is removed, click the Downloads button to save your image. The free version provides a lower resolution, but you can get a high-quality image with a paid plan. Good news! This method also works on your phones. Just open the www.remove.bg on your mobile browsers and follow the same steps.